Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about lists for our code. So as you become more proficient at programming, your projects are likely to become larger in size and could be hundreds and even thousands of lines long, just like this file that we've had open here. That's right around 757 lines, right? So that's a lot of code and it's pretty hard to navigate. But say we wanted to find a specific variable, then we can come under here. AppGameKit Studio automatically keeps track of our variables, our types. Functions will pop up here if you would like them to, so you can navigate between them. But say we wanted to go to a specific variable, then what we can do is simply highlight one, and this number here refers to the line it's on, and all you do is click it, and it takes you directly to it. So right here on line 94, say we want to go to a specific type. This one's on line 40, so T element timer max. We can go right to it. So that's a quick or another quick way to manage your code and how to get to it quickly if you didn't want to use bookmarks or the code folding. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to go over this really quick because it will help you in all of your files if you have any included. So here, if we want to look at our specific functions, we can simply go to it. And that's going to be it for this one, guys. And I will see you in the next one.